just want to ask you a couple of really sort of rudimentary questions that you probably get asked a lot. First of all, where do you get your protein?
Yeah, for sure. That's the most common question I get, for sure. Well, every single living thing contains protein within its structure, or more essentially amino acids. So all plant food contains amino acids. Protein structures in our body are all just combinations of individual amino acids. So as long as we get the essential amino acids we need, our body uses those to build protein. In fact, when we eat whole proteins, like animal foods and stuff like that, our body has to go through a lot of chemical digestion, as well as time-wise digestion, to break down those bonds, those polypeptide bonds in the protein structures, and bring them back into their individual amino acid components to realign them and build new structures. This is also done in the body through anabolism and catabolism. We're always breaking down proteins, catabolism, and then anabolizing them and recreating protein structures in our body. So essentially, when I'm eating plant foods, when I'm eating fruits and vegetables, I'm skipping out the middleman. I'm not going through that wasted energy and time of breaking down complete proteins. I'm just getting the essential building blocks in their most pristine, most vital, most brand new form. It's like brand new cars, instead of getting a used car, breaking it apart for parts, and then trying to make a new car out of that used car. Now, as far as percentages of protein, there's a myth that we need huge amounts. Bodybuilders have these protein powders and all these things, and if they really knew they're just damaging their kidneys and causing over-acidification of their body and producing cancer in their bodies, they probably wouldn't want to be doing it. I look to nature. I look to what our actual protein needs are before thinking about what I'm eating. Babies, they're growing at the fastest rate of any time in our lifespan. Mother's milk is roughly about 7 to 8%. Highest I've heard it called is 9%. Usually about 7.5–8% protein by calorie. If we look at fruits, they're average 4 to 8% protein by calorie. If we look at vegetables, they're 15 to 20+% by calorie. So if you just take a mix of fruits and vegetables, any mix, you're assured more protein than you need. Even if you're a bodybuilder, it's really just about supplying the caloric demand, because the overall nutrient ratio provides enough protein per calorie in our diet.